guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Queenies Empire, and today we're going to be learning how to make an Afro puff, okay, using kinky extension. Very easy. All you need is your kinky, your scissors, a white tooth comb, and your elastic. You need something really stretchy, preferably black. I didn't see a plain black, but this will do fine. So you want to fold one of the bundle of the extension in 3. You can fold it in 2 depending on how lengthy and how full you want the puff to be, but I'm going to be folding mine in 3, and this is the fold. And then I'm going to go ahead to make sure that it's equal and then cut that into 3 exactly. So fold again and then you cut. There you have it. Okay, so you want to go ahead and pick up your elastic once again, then take out of the hair extension, and this is what you want to do. You want to tie it, basically you want to like pass it through the hairband and then tie it preferably twice so that it stays in place once, and second time. There you go. So you want to do that on and on until you've gotten your desired volume. So you want to make sure that the quantity you are sectioning to tie up shouldn't be so large. It can be smaller than this, but I think this is also fine. So yeah, you tie that once and then tie it the second time. There you go. So you want to continue that. Keep pushing them to like be on the same line, and then so you've gotten the this is like halfway through or thereabouts. Halfway through, and then this is the desired quantity that I'm going for. So you see it's puffy. I'm doing this for my baby, so I don't need something too too full. And then you want to take your white tooth comb and then comb through until it's fluffy. It looks fluffy. It looks more natural, like your normal hair. So you want to comb it through. Make sure you are holding it in place when you are combing through, so you do not make mistake. Okay, so this is why it's preferably you cut it twice, you tie it twice so it stays in place. So this is how it looks now. You want to go ahead and trim it to make sure it gives it that perfect cuff, or perfect perfect volume or perfect round rather. Okay, so just trim out the excess. Just like that, until you are highly satisfied with the results. And of course, do away with the hair. Okay, so there you go. And I think it's looking really nice. You can use your hand to put it in place. And that is it. As simple and easy as that. It's not complicated. There you have it. So you can just go ahead and fix it on your hair, and that is it. If you enjoyed my tutorial, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, because we're on a journey of 1K subscribers. Okay, and this is the result of my baby's hair, looking really beautiful and really easy. Thanks for watching. Bye.